Assalamu alaikum, welcome everyone. I'm going to start with index method. Okay, let's start. We will use try catch method. Exception here will get our error if there is any error in the fetching data. We will use this model, student model. This model is a instance of student table, you can say. So we don't need to go student table directly. We can use this model. Okay, let a variable student and student. This is our model and scope resolution operator. We'll use all. That's why we will get all the data of this table. And we must import this student model also, student class. I am using extension so I can easily import. Okay, here we will return our data, and we must return as JSON data because we will check to Postman. First we complete our backend, all the route setup, and then we will move to front end. Response and then JSON. This is the Laravel built-in function. The Laravel is awesome here. Here we'll pass our data in this array, student, and we can send a message. Data successfully render. We can give a message that is success. And here and last in the status, return in the same way response JSON. Here we can send status. Here will be error. And in the message we will send our error. Our variable and get message, and finally the response status. Okay, we are done here. We can move to the Postman. Let's create a blank connection. This will be Laravel CRUD. Add request. Here will be our route. This is our route. Not found. Let's check. Set up this route. Let's try again. Okay, we've got our data. This is our data. We get this data. Let's try to create another field and check again it's working or not. This is admin username because we connect with the user table. That's why we must fill up this. Go. Let's go to the Postman again. Let's see, we have two data fields. So we finally created our index method and get data, and also we check by Postman.